Hi, and welcome to our map tour, where we will show you three locations. Our first stop is going to be Norfolk, Virginia. This is home to one of the largest military bases in the world. Of course, like most states in the East, there is a chance you may put yourself at risk of hurricanes. And hurricanes are very dangerous. Norfolk, Virginia has one of the most quickest return periods for hurricanes. These hurricanes form from water vapor fueling a low pressure zone. Since Virginia is more prone to hurricanes, FEMA does suggest that you have a portable generator for backup power. You'll also have to stay away from loose items and trees, and lastly, have sturdy shelter that can withstand winds going up to 100 miles an hour. Here we see a more in-depth look of the city here in Virginia. This is a beautiful city, by the way. Now for our second stop, we're going to visit Indonesia. This is the world's largest island country, which is home to many volcanoes, so watch out! Indonesia lies on the Pacific Ring of Fire. This explains the frequent hazards the country does face. For example, earthquakes, tsunamis, floods, and volcano eruptions. In terms of safety, I suggest the best thing to do would be avoid being near a volcano, especially if it's on the verge of erupting. If you do find yourself in the midst of a volcano eruption, stay indoors to avoid inhaling ash, and try to find high ground as soon as possible, because lava does tend to fill up the lower elevations first. There are a lot of houses here and a lot of trees, so it is a risk. Now our last stop is going to be the golden state of California, where the sun shines and drought thrives. If you plan on visiting California, be sure to bring plenty of water, as drought is very common here. Drought is a period of dryness that extends the average duration. Southern California specifically rarely receives rain, thus leading to high conditions of drought. As shown below, in 2014, California was suffering from abnormally dry to moderate dry conditions. This was prior to very serious drought, which changed all of Southern California to severe drought. On an average base, Southern California does suffer from abnormally dry conditions. The best way to deal with this drought would just be to become a mindful person and avoid using a lot of water. By saving some extra water, California will be able to survive longer in serious drought. And there are a lot of people living in California. Thank you for watching our tour, and enjoy the city of LA here.